Jai Hind everyone. I, Arushi Pandey, your host, welcome you all to Cadet Alumni Association YouTube channel. Today's video is little different as we are going to discuss on a very interesting topic that is graphology. To discuss on the same, we have a very special guest that is Mr. Pradeep Sharma, an internationally certified mind practitioner of graphology, a mind management coach, and chief operating officer of steel industry. Sir is also a transformation leader and emotional intelligence mentor. Sir has served in steel industry for over 3 decades and has a parallel interest in mind empowerment through science-based graphotherapy. Sir has also taken across India 100, 200 plus workshops and also trained 10,000 plus professionals and the students regarding the same. And it has been proven that of 70% retention rate and the improvement in the people who has attended his eye engagement sessions. So in order to go into the topic and without further ado, I would like to invite Mr. Pradeep Sharma on our channel. Welcome Pradeep sir, and I hope you are doing very well.
Yeah, I'm totally fine.
Okay sir, in order to start our video with, I would like to know about what is graphology and how does it differ from graphotherapy.
Yeah. So the very valid question to understand this that yes, it's a new term for the this particular universe because very few people know about this graphology. So first, let understand that this is something related with the handwriting, which from the beginning, from the childhood to the adulthood, we are doing this writing work. So graphology is something where through the handwriting we are understanding that what is our slant, slant pressure and the sizes of that particular letters and words which we are writing. So in graphology there is a system by which we can understand these all parameters in which your strength, your personality, your thinking pattern, your fear and defenses
Mm.
and relationship, there's a major part, and after that area of improvement. So after defining all these elements, we will find out through this graphology that in particular when you are writing those letters or words, what are those area where you need to improve it. And for this area of improvement, we are providing graphotherapy. So grapho is nothing but it's a lines, and then to correct by changing the letters formations, the slant and the pressure, the therapy is given to them. So this is all about the graphology and the graphotherapy.
Very rightly said, sir, and it is a very interesting topic. So, sir, how does the handwriting is connected to our subconscious mind? And is there any scientific evidences given that proves the effectiveness support to the graphotherapy?
So once again, this is a very interesting question because what is happening when people heard about that handwriting, how, because I am writing with the hands, right? How it is connected with the subconscious mind. So this is a very big question. One thing is the mind, and then further we are dealing with the subconscious mind. So just because as a research part, first I will clear it. In 1991, University of California, Los Angeles did this particular exercises that the way you write on the paper through the pen, because when you're writing it, you are providing a angle, that is a slant, and there is some pressure, and the formation of letter either is a medium size, big size, or the small size. So when these formation will be there, so this handwriting is a transfer from the brain, because whatever the beliefs, whatever the emotions, thoughts, your story, because ultimately whatever you do, that is to the mind, and in which subconscious mind is very much crucial for each individuals. So when you are writing it, this is a reflection of your mind. And that reflection which you are storing from the childhood to the adulthood. And if you are also child, you are keeping some memories, some patterns, and those are getting reflected. So it's not only handwriting, it's a brain writing.
Okay, sir. Now we have understood the meaning of graphology and graphotherapy. So now this particular handwriting, how does it help in stress and anxiety and concentration management? And can you give us example that can help us understand better about all these words and letters?
So before answering your question, first we should understand that people how validating that he is having a stress, he or she having a anxiety. So this thing is not clear to them. As I told that handwriting is a brain writing, it is reflecting on your letters. When you are writing it, there are letter which is giving evidence that yes, you are having a problem of stress and anxiety. Now we have to understand what is stress. Basically, it's a coordination between your mind and body. When you are unable to perform, why you are unable to perform? Because the task which you want to do and you are not doing it. It means first thing is that you are not the action taker. You are overthinking that first I will do this, then I will perform another activity. So the question comes like that. We already accumulating the things, that is the overthinking. Means yes, I have to do, but I am not doing it. But now what has happened? That task having a timeline because everything is you have to perform according to time. And within time, if you are not performing, you are not taking action, what is happening? Then this particular creation is a procrastinator. You become a procrastinator. And a very good sign in graphology, letter T. So just I want to describe more in detail that how letter T it evidencing that you are a procrastinator. So if you see the letter T having the two parts. Number one, there is a stem, it's a vertical line. So just for example, I will show with my pen that this is the stem. And top of the stem, there is a bar. So this is stem and this bar is there. If this bar, if you see in the screen that how you are writing T and this bar is going towards left side. This is the evidence that you are procrastinator. And as I told, already described that if you delaying your work, then what will happen? You are unable to perform, you are unable to perform, and if you are not able to perform, then it means you are not giving the results. And then you started overthinking that, oh, I have to do so much, I have to finish this, but you have not done. And then the stress and anxiety may come.
Okay.
So I think you very well understand, but the evidence that, and yes, if whosoever listening to me, and yes, the T pattern is like that, congratulations, you are a big procrastinator.
That
But
is
yes, yeah, but you can correct it.
so your examples are very intriguing. And moving forward to next question, that how does graphotherapy help students perform better academically and how does it also benefit the working professionals? And what is the time span that someone sees a betterment in his personality by the scene?
So really, it's a remarkable game changer for students as well as for the working professionals because everybody is doing some activity. You're learning or you're performing any activity in the offices or in the industry or in the plant. Before that, the question which you read, result part, that how much time is required? Because as earlier I have shown you that letter T is mastering you in the procrastinator, which is not good, right? So if I will ask that since how long you're brushing your teeth, so might be according to age, if you say that, yes, since 25 years or 28 years, I am doing that one, right? And if I ask, stop it from tomorrow, because already did, right? So, main thing is that the habit. First, you have to create the habit because habit makes you performer. And to become a performer, you need to practice it. And the practice doesn't have any time limitation. The more you do, more perfection will come and more result will come. Now the question comes how it is helping to the students as well as the working professionals. As handwriting is a brain writing, you are creating some beliefs, some patterns are there by which your performance is directly related to that. Because in this, as I told, the letter T, and there is a too big dangerous sign comes in handwriting by this letter T. So now we already discussed about the one pattern in the T, letter T, how you are making, that is a procrastination. And the second part is the high self-esteem. Are you having a high self-esteem? So then if you see the evidence in your screen that this is also a letter T, if you are making your letter T like this, yes, you are having a high self-esteem. If not, congratulations, you are having low self-esteem. And what is low self-esteem? Because this is a very big parameter for the students as well as for the working professionals. Let's understand the meaning of high self-esteem. This high self-esteem having a two major elements. Number one is the self-respect, that how you respect yourself, and self-confidence. Sometimes it required to be push yourself, means you need some validation that someone will push you. Like for example, you are a very good dancer. Now in the school or in your institution, there is a dance competition. You know very well that you are very good dancer. But what you need someone else will come, hey, you are very good, please participate. If this type of pattern you have, means always you are asking for validation for yourself because you don't have the self-confidence. And the self-respect part is that you know that this thing is not good for me, even though you are unable to say no. Somewhere you are not justifying yourself because your energy is so low. And that is because you are unable to speak. Somewhere it is from your mind that signal not coming out because you are having the low self-esteem. So when you are making letter T and putting the bar balanced at the top, as per the screen, if you see that is letter T is written, and if you made this practice, your high steep self-esteem. Now you will say that by only making letter T and putting the bar at the top, your self-esteem is become high. Really? So letter doesn't have any power to make your self-esteem high. Letter doesn't have that power. The from procrastinator to you become an action taker. The way you write it, because if you see, this is the pen, and if you see when I am writing it, you see the movement when this movement is going up, and then I am putting the bar. This action, this micro millimeter changes stimulate the chemicals which are responsible for your performance. So that is the science behind that. It is not the power of letter, the way you write. Because when this movement will be there, there is a reverse engineering, I can say that whatever pattern you have, you are writing it. But when you are making practice, our mind having 860 crores neurons. They are not connected. Some are connected by which you are doing your things like belief systems, your thinking patterns. But there are some more which are still there. This is the very good creation of universe. So the moment you start practicing, new neuron connections develop. these chemicals in the healthy, these are getting created over there, and then your personality boost. So this is something about that.
So, moving forward, so is there any energy based experience or experiment that can prove further it? And how does the handwriting impact and reveal about the physical and mental health of a particular individual?
So it's a really a very valid and very interesting question. Energy, right? This energy word, just I want to, it will take little time to understand, but whosoever listening is, give attention to that. That this universe has given two things very limited to we all individuals. Number one is the time, and number two is the energy. This energy, we individual having this energy, but in the limited form. Why? Because if you were, you know the word, we are saying soul, SOUL, source of unique light. And we everybody knows that this light is energy. And it is also proven in the quantum physics that each matter is a wave, right? So there is a fluctuation because when waves are there, yes, waves are in the up and downs. And this up and downs, how comes? Through our emotions, energy in motions. So when we are saying I am energy, so this energy is going up and down motions. How come? Because in a day, in 24 hours, a normal individuals having 60,000 thoughts which are coming. How come? Every second you are receiving 15 million bits information through your five sensory organ consciously through this frontal cortex. So this is the receiver. But what is happening when you receive the information is getting deleted. Hmm. Because almost 98% information getting deleted. This is the design of universe. This is the design of your mind. This is the architect of mind. They made it. Because this much of information per second, if you stored, it blown away, blast. That's why it is designed like that. Now, what will happen? The there when thoughts are coming, because thought will come. This is the basic strategy of your mind. But what will happen when you putting some emotions with that information? You are putting some information. You are giving some meaning to that. Hmm. So let's understand by one example that how this energy fluctuation impact you and create a pattern in your mind, and your performance will be directed to that. Suppose 2 to 3 times you get cheated by somebody, and all three are different people. Then what will happen? You make a perception, because of what I told, when you are receiving the information, putting the emotions, that suppose you have given money to someone and he denied, no, you have never given me. Second person also, third person also. Now what will happen? You, with this particular event, you create some meaning to that the people are doing this cheating phenomena, right? So you start telling that ये दुनिया cheater से भरी हुई है. You see how you are connecting the entire universe by your one event. So this is called distortion, because you are giving some meaning to that, and then it ingress in your subconscious mind. So whenever another person will come and he will ask you for that particular money, you will say no, because patterns is already there. Because this energy, because this emotions, this particular energy is stored in such a way that you are seeing the things that no, entire world, yeah, entire society having this problem. Hmm. Because you are energy and you are keeping in your mind. That's why I'm saying. And now why it is happening? Because a human being having the four health quadrant. Number one, mental health, emotional health, spiritual health, and physical health. If you see that your mental, emotional, and spiritual is the 80%, and the physical health is at 20%. But mostly people thinks this 80% is more. No, the more your body vibes, you more show the activeness, like you are not doing the exercises, some physical work. If you want to perform anything, you just make 5 or 6 jumping jacks. You see what will happen? Entire body resonate. You become active. But mostly when we saying that the four quadrants are there, 80% the mental, spiritual, and the emotional, people are thinking we have to empower your mind and but ultimate body is there, no? Everything you are performing through this body. That's why you have to elevate your energy level. So when we are writing it, what will happen? The new neuron connections, that's a new through the neurotransmitter, and the neuroplasticity is the proven science over there. And we are all know this particular information, and this chemical release, which chemicals give you through this mind, this entire body is receiving those chemicals. And you know that a healthy mind doesn't have diseased body. So why more you write it in a constructive way, in the structured way, what will happen? Your energy level will boost. You will be active. Always you are active. Only thing is that you have you should have one intention. And when you give intention, your attention will come. So intention and attention both is required. Then you can understand that what is my need and what is my want. Because need require discipline, that 80% which I have talked about, and passion 20%. Both are balancing each other by this particular triangle, energy triangle, that is a mind, body, and soul. So this is all about the energy level by the handwriting. It's a really miracle. Only thing is that trust the process and take the action, do it. Because in current situation, we are having mobiles, electronic gadgets, laptop, here we are working. Even when I'm conducting workshops, people are saying nowadays who writes? Yes, this is the problem, that who writes, because this muscle memory is being lost day by day. You see, you make the rangolis, right? You know, you do the japnas, mantra japs, right? You see that which is moving index finger. How you are writing? By this only. When you are making rangoli, these fingers are moving. It doesn't matter that you are left-hander or right-hander. Only thing is that how you are performing the activities by your using this index finger. How movements are there. Earlier age, the children's and everything was playing in the mud. Nowadays, they're saying hygiene and all. So the activity by the hands are getting deteriorated day by day. Yes. Specifically with the children's, it is shown. And very critical thing I am today saying to all those mothers, really be careful what you are doing, you are directly handicapping your child, because you are so much busy to perform the activity of your daily routine. You are simply giving the mobile to your kid because you want to perform the activity, and you are giving the excuses. And it is evident that this particular neuromuscular activity stopped. They deform their finger and they're unable to hold the pen. This is the evidence. And lot of people are contacting us that how to connect it. First thing, prevention is better than cure. So healthy mind doesn't have diseased body. For that, you have to be careful. So this is my message to all those who are doing this activity. Take away from the electronic gadgets, stop handwriting, and make your mind empowered. Because, and the last I will say, healthy mind doesn't have disease body.
Very well said and explained, sir. So, sir, if someone wants to practice and get into this activity, what are the steps that he can take to join you and to practice forward?
So we are in the world of information, right? Lot of channels are there, lot of magazines are there, lot of news are there. People are thinking that eat it, become healthy, do this, become healthy. The only thing is that yes, for this particular brain writing, which commonly we are saying handwriting, that subconscious mind need to be empowered. And this is only the fastest way, because when you write, you see your focus always increases. Even there are some other modalities by which you can empower your subconscious mind. So question also comes that in 3 decades why I have chosen graphotherapy, why I become master of graphology, because I personally found that being a mind management coach, if you really want to focus, because for each individual to get the success, first is the focus. If you are focused, your concentration will increase. So when you practice it, your focus will increase. Second part, your decision making will increase. So what will happen? The clarity will be there. Because this particular steps, 3 steps, focus, clarity and success. To get the success, you need the clarity. And that clarity is a big why. Why you want to become. Like just I will ask Arshi, what you want to become? What is your dream?
My dream is to become an army officer
Yeah.
and join India.
So the thing is that you need to boost that energy. You feel that energy. This is one very big lesson for everyone, that there is a formula be do have. So you have to feel it, that what you want to become in present situation. Now I come to that how you practice this graphotherapy. So what we do, because this program is for the 6 years to the 85 years age. So we are having a very wide range. For the children who are studying, this is a big problem. Even during the teacher parent meeting, just I will tell one thing, because I am the evidence for that. Teacher saying your kid is not performing very well. He's not writing it. But the parents are saying you can ask in front of me, he know each and everything. There is a very contradictory things. What he's saying, according to our education system, I am only talking about specifically for the India, that the way and what you write it on the paper, which is relevant to that particular question, means that answer which you are writing it should be, first thing is the legible. Means teachers should understand that what you wrote, number one. Number two is that what question school or college is asked and what you wrote there. Is the relevance is there? Coordination is there? Yes. If it is there, you get the marks. Means the moment you write it, the quality and quantity, both, because that answer give you the marks, not by the verbal. Mostly this conflict is happening during teachers parents meeting. So most you write it. And now thing is that first thing is retention. So when you do the graphotherapy, your retention increase because your energy level boost up. Number one, retention will be there. Now second part, writing it. So for the children's, there is a program. If you see, I have given the steps in the screen. If you find it, that's the connect that this particular finger flexion. Because mostly when we write it, even we don't know which pen we will use it. So in our program, we are suggesting the right pen according to your requirement. Because mostly if you see there is a pressure always there and you are paining your fingers. So there is a finger flexion, that that particular exercises are there where you make the patterns. And then the letter formation. The letter which you are making, right? As I you see there's two dangerous sign. So there is a different letter formation that you practice it. And then there is a connectivity in those letters. And when you are doing this, writing this letter, they are in the zones. Because when we write it in the three zones. Some letter like vowel A, E, I, O, U, that should be written in the middle zone. Letter G, letter Y, Z, this will be written in the lower zone. And letter H, letter D, letter T, they all are the upper zone. So when you making your index and finger movement in the zones, more stimulation will be there, more sharper mind will be there. And then the part is that after that, the like your fingers are strong, your letter formation is good, you are writing in the zone, your connectivity is when connectivity is there, your energy level, because we are performing this activity, we are giving a script to the kids either school or college students. When they are writing, mostly what is happening, you are lifting the pen most of the time, so your energy is going on. Next part, you are nodding your head like this, either dictation or something. So what will happen? Again the energy. And then there is a speed writing. So while that, you have to memorize the thing. If mostly what is happening, you are going to perform your examination, you know the answer, you remember the answer, but unable to write it. This is the one problem. Like 3 hours is given, but because you're not writing in a pace which is required, that is one problem. Another problem is that your retention is not there. You forget. You are in the overthinking. You stress because whenever we say exams, so by my perception, exams are festival. We have to treat like that. That the exams are festival. When this type of thinking pattern is there, because for that you need a level of energy need to be boosted.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is the part. So for this is for the children that we are having MPNL program. We are giving this particularly for the students who are either in the school or in the college. For the working professional, yes, we are giving a script when he is writing that we are exploring their personality by the traits, thinking pattern, strength, relationship, fear and defenses. And according to their handwriting, we are giving area of improvement. These area of improvement is different for individuals. Then there is a 30-day coaching therapy in which every day he has to write. Only one thing is that because we are talking about empowering the mind and mind need discipline. So the morning when you wake up, we suggest you. Mostly people say we are very busy. But if it is the empower of your mind and you know that a healthy mind doesn't have the diseased body, means there is a health in handwriting. So you are getting all four quadrants fit and fine. Then why don't you do that? So the morning when you wake up, do this graphotherapy because that time your subconscious mind is so active. Your energy level will retain there, and in the entire day, because that particular part, if you devoting for the handwriting, entire other time till you sleep, your mind will take care of you. So practice it. There is 30-day coaching. If there is some issues related, some critical areas of improvement we are finding, then we are prescribing 90-day coaching system. Because when you write this pattern, you will find it there is no coordination between mind and the hand. So when you are making the pattern, you are unable to do that. So according to that, we are seeing that these are the area of improvement, and we are suggesting 90-day therapy because health in handwriting. So likewise, these three programs are there, and specifically, as I told, that are from 6 years to 85 years. Even you can make the career in also in particular thing because this science is so new. I will request all the institutions or the schools, colleges, or the housewives that please come and understand. And if you want to understand, Below, we are providing the link where we are connecting the webinars in which you come and evident that yes, is there any problem with you? Is you need this program
Hmm.
at online level or offline level? Then and there, we are giving the evidence that these are the problems in you. You yourself evaluate yourself. Only we will guide you. It's not like that. Take this tablet and eat it. No. Whatever you write, we will say that. We will tell you. Please find these are the problem are there with you. You will himself find it, and then you make a evidence. Because till now, I have almost more than 500 analysis I have done, accuracy level of 95% to 98%. These are the my accuracy level. Lot of students who are working there, where their parents, they specifically mother becomes sick because they are not getting up in the morning.
Hmm.
And now they are happy. They are calling me and they are telling me, sir, what miracle you do? I told no, this is not miracle from time. This is the power of graphotherapy. So I will suggest that shake hand with this, take this opportunity and understand the science of graphotherapy and also convey to the people, because my mission to reach 1 million student, make a community, and I believe that these 1 million, each and everyone also create 1 million. So not up to India, will do this at the world level. So this is all from my side, and I invite you to understand the science and enjoy your four quadrant of life. Thank you.
It was really interesting and fascinating, sir. The things you have said, it kept us gripping and intrigued to the conversation that we had. And with this, we have come to the end of the video. And I present my heartfelt thank you to Mr. Pradeep Sharma, sir, for taking out time and being with us in order to explain this science of graphotherapy and graphology. It was really interesting. And I present thank you on behalf of Cadet Alumni Association. For the people who want to connect further, the description has the links for the contact of sir and the programs that he offers. And also, with this, I would like you all to stay connected, stay mindful and happy till the time we bring you another video that keeps you intrigued with us. Thank you. Jai Hind.
So thank you to Arushi, because uh, thank you for giving this platform, and I wish that very soon the goal which you have made for you, that you become a defense officer, and then we will proudly salute you, and thanks for this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your wishes, and I wish the same for you. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.